Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be creating this unique sketch exercise 9 in AutoCAD. I will guide you step by step so you can easily follow along. Even you are a beginner, you are new in AutoCAD, no problem. Now you can download the PDF of this exercise, link in the description box. Okay, so let's get start. Step 1. Before we start drawing, open AutoCAD, make sure your workspace is ready. Set the unit as a millimeter. You can activate unit command, press UN, enter and check insertion scale will be millimeters. Then press OK. This will help us stay accurate with the measurements. Step 2. Creating the first circle. Activate circle command, press C, enter, click on center point and press as a D for diameter 6060. Now again create a second circle, it will be inner circle. Now C for circle, center point, D for diameter 4040. Create the remaining circles. Repeat the circle command for the another circle around the drawing. So using C, enter, on again on center point, D for diameter 5050. Now M for move, L for last object, press enter, click on first point, then activate ortho for straight. Now activate downside, it will be 98, press enter. Again select same circle, move M for move, downside 87, press enter. Now we need to create another circle. C for circle, click on center point, D for diameter 3030. Now click both circles, select M for move and put a right side exact 50 mm. Now we are going to select these circles. CP for copy command, put on downside 98, enter, press skip. Now again select these circles, M for move, put on right side, it will be 80. Now step 3, drawing the connecting arcs. So we will connect the circle with smooth curves using circle command, press C for circle, using TTR for tangent circle, press enter, first point, second point and put a value as a radius 80, enter. Now again same method apply for these curves. C for circle, TTR, enter, first point, second point and put a value as a radius 80, enter. Now we need to erase unwanted sketch. So using TR for trim command, first point, second point. This one is the unwanted part of our drawing. Now select this all, press MI for mirror command, click on first point and put a downside, click. Now press no for erase source object, no. Now we have a remaining part. These are smooth curves. So now we are going to use same command, C for circle, TTR, enter, first point, second point, put a value as a 80 radius, press enter. Now we are going to trim unwanted part, click trim. Step 4, adding dimension, adding vertical and horizontal measurement. Next we will do DLI for dimension linear command. We will add the necessary dimension, use the dimensions, radius and horizontally, vertically as per required. So now first point, now here to this one. DCO for dimension continuous from here to here. Now DLI for dimension linear, first point to second point. Need to show diameter of circles, so DDI is a shortcut command. Click on first circle, again press enter to activate same command, select circle and click for these circles and these circles. Now we are add measurement for smooth curves, just like for this one, this one, this one. DRA for dimension radius command, first this one and this one. If you want to add this one, you can also add this one and this one. Now complete this drawing. If you want to show your drawing as a clear visualization, you can select all these drawing parts except your measurement. Now this one, just like, and go to properties, click on line thickness and add more line thickness as a 35. Now this one is clear. Step 5, double check that all the dimensions are correct or shapes are aligned with the drawing. The professional touch ensure that your work looks precious and polished. Great job, you have just completed exercise 9 in AutoCAD. Don't forget to download PDF available in the description box. If you want to practice this video help you, please like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, consider trying to support us. Thank you, thanks for your watching. I will see you in next video. Tata, bye bye, take care.